Hi guys, Jasenia here, and I wanted to share a little project with you that I made, and I'm super excited and happy how it turned out. This is a little mini album. I saw May Made It Crafts create one, and she did it. She was saying you can like a recipe book or however you want it, depending who you're gonna give it to. So I decided to do mine of Harry Potter. Look at this, how cute! I will link down below the stamps where I got them from. Like I don't remember right now. And then let's go on in. Look at this. These are stamped images, and I colored them in. Not the best coloring, but I love it. And then I put glossy accent on her shoes, the book, her tie, the scarf, her eyes, and her headband. And in here, his shoes, the scarf, the stick of the wand, the glasses, and his eyes. And then the little stamped seal for the envelope. The envelope, I got it off of Pinterest. And there's a few more items or images inside that I got off of Pinterest. And the paper collection, I will also link it down below. I got it in Expo, scrapbooking Expo, a few years ago, and finally now I'm cutting into it because I was making copies of the pages just to create my book. So yeah, so here is part of the cut apart. You're a keeper. Over here, it's a little photo mat, so you can put the picture there. Let me see. And then I put this image here. This is also from Pinterest, where you can put the picture like right there and glue it there. That's how she made hers, and I'll try to link that below. And then here's a, let me see if I can get it out for you. Then it's a pocket here. They're tags. I didn't put nothing on the tags. Like you can write on it, journal on it, or put pictures, or put the picture here and then the journal inside. Look at this one. Look at how it's getting cute. This one also tucks down here somehow, some way. I think I glued this side down, but I can fix that. Then this side, we have the little potion right here, little tuck. All of them have tags, pull-up tags. We have the scarf here, so you can, like a little tuck spot. Then the owl bringing the letter. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I really love the way this came out. Right here, I know you see it across, but I left this part open. You can tuck it under. And I did add some gold glitter on there. That was the design that was on the wand already, so I just glittered it up. Then right here we have the key with the wings. Right here we have the stack of books, and they all, like I said, have a little tuck spot. Then right here we have his suitcase, Harry Potter's suitcase. Then right here, of course, a candle because it's nighttime to walk through the halls. And then right here is the only way out is through. And then we have all the luggages. J.K. Rowling, yeah. And then we have the suitcases there. That's the back cover, chipboard. And then I also got this washi tape over at that expo when I went. So there goes my little mini album, and I love it. I'm not sure yet if I should put like some ribbon or what on here, and if I do, I'll probably just get the ones to match the scarves. So yes, that is my mini album, Harry Potter. Thank you guys for watching. Bye now.